Who are you?
I'm a DIY investor. I'm a self-taught genius.
Well, I'm talking to my financial advisor who gives me expert guidance.
Oh please, I don't need help. I know it all.
So you know everything?
Well, yes, I try.
Well, I have financial advisors who know A to Z about financial planning.
Well, I'm saving a lot of money. You are paying to those professionals.
Good for you. I save time plus money with their help.
I time the market like a pro. I don't need a certificate for all that.
Oh, I stick with study plans made by SEBI registered financial advisors.
I've got this app that tells me what's hot. Why would I need anyone else?
Apps are fun, but you can't beat a financial plan that is made just for you.
My gut never fails me.
No gut feelings here, just unbiased advice.
More risk, more rewards. That's my motto.
With my expert partner, I have a diversified portfolio with minimum risk.
Wait, I'll show you. Arey, how did I lose so much money?
My heartfelt condolences, but I think you need this.